Want to remove a team manager from your ESPN Fantasy League? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your phone. Once it loads, go to your team page. From here, tap League on the far right corner of the bottom menu. Now make sure you're the league manager. This option only appears if you are. Scroll down and tap League Manager Tools. Next, select Managers. On this page, you'll see a list of all team managers in your league. To remove a manager, simply select the manager you want to remove. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete the team, it only removes the manager from the team. The team will stay in your league until the end of the season. If you want to add or replace a manager, scroll to the bottom and tap Invite. From there, you can send an invite to someone new to take over the team or join your league for the next season. And that's it. You've successfully managed team managers in your ESPN Fantasy League. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.